Hello and welcome. Today we will unbox the new Unifi Cloud Key Plus. So we have a look what's inside in the box, and we'll get this cracking. So just for if you haven't seen our videos before, we have a Unifi Dream Machine SE, which is working great, but we want the packet filtration. And we want to put in the Unifi UXG Pro, which is a gateway. Now the problem we have is the UXG is not working with the UMSE or UDM Pro. So we have to take it out, relocate to the other office, and migrate everything from the UDM-SE over. So we have the quick guide, QR codes, sticker. We have this Unifi sticker, Unifi Protect sticker, how to wear it, happy days. We don't need that. We have the Cloud Key. Lovely packaging, well protected. We have not break it today. So what we have, the front, the Cloud Key. We have a USB port, a power on, power off, and the LAN port and USB-C included. So what we can do is we can power it USB-C or you can power it from the PoE. What we will do, how did he release? I don't know what's that. Oh yeah, there's a SSD inside, and there's a little plastic-ish thing for the Cloud Key rack link. Because what we'll do today is we will mount the Cloud Key with the console, because we have a rack-mounted system here. So technically that's coming in the box. You get your quick startup guide, Unifi product brochure. If you scan, you can have a look at the products. You get 2 stickers. You can put it on the screen, telling people that you're using Unifi. I don't think we will do that. We will have the user manual, usual crap, and technically that's the main unit what we need. So this will be the brain. We will fit that in the Cloud Key panel, and then we mount the UXG Pro, migrate everything over. Hopefully we not kill the system because we have cameras and access control here, and then we see where we go with this today. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you want more video, put that in the comments. We will review more and more Unifi devices for SMEs. We are an SME and we want to simplify our IT. If you have any question, put it in a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.